客家咸蒜鸡 or Hakka Salted Leek Chicken is a traditional dish in my family. We only have this dish during the Chinese New Year because the type of leek used is China Red Leek and they're only available during the spring season. Sometimes due to bad harvest years, they're hardly available anywhere, but this year I was lucky enough to come across a bunch. Since again this year it's just gonna be me and my brother, I thought, why not make something that reminds us of home? According to traditional Chinese medicine, leeks not only help to regulate qi circulation, they also help to expel cold and internal dampness from our bodies. On top of that, it's also considered as a warm herb that helps to reinforce the kidneys, activate our blood circulation, improve our appetite, and also help to move the bowels. All these benefits will sure come in handy when we have a lot of yummies in our tummies during this Chinese New Year. But of course, let's not forget the symbolism of this dish. Because leek in Chinese is suan, also sounds the same as suan, which means count. After eating this dish, kids will excel in their maths and adults will have countless money to count. So here's to countless fortune and countless wealth. And wishing you all a happy, hoppy new year. Everyone, what, and quack, quack.